Hey guys, this is me. This is a review of the actual Lego from Legoland in downtown Disney in Florida, near Orlando, in their own town. And this will be the review. So let's go. Let's go. That's it. Okay, so I built it in a day. The whole one day. And like 1 something in the morning of the next day, right after a few days after I got back, not right after, a few days. So can never get that square, but lifting it up, it is kind of heavy. Just come with that and a tiny little, still say California, but due to my camera not working. And it will fully do that, and hold it up quickly, and the wheels fold down, both sides. This was fun to make. Ooh, piece fell off. Pardon. My pardons. 1,000 pardons. Well, I grabbed the piece, if you can hear me, and noisily stick it back in. Stick it back on. 1,000,000 pardons. Nobody will check out this video, but who cares? Okay, back. Put them down. One door opens and articulates, moves, all crazy like. The other door moves and breaks off because this is a Lego. Being a Lego, it loves to nicely articulate it. Just articulate it. Inside, interior. You can't see them too well. That is a very nice Marty McFly. Due to purposes, I'm not taking him out. Mr. McFly is staying in there. Inside, can't see it. There is a flux capacitor. All its components. Nothing up top like it has, but that's due to it being made the way it is. Very nice door jamb. Very nice stay in there door jamb. These guys go down if you want, but the Lego says to keep them up, I believe. Don't know if they were down or not, but it looks nicer up. The front, right here, is some circling with my hand, spinning my hand, a circle. This front part comes off. You can make it the third movie, and then those wheels there do come off and turn into they can take the rubber off and fake rubbers off and put red wheels in. front just looks marvelous. Marvelous, marvelous, marvelous. There's that marvelous back I was showing you. It does come with Mr. Fusion up top. I never really can get Mr. Fusion to stay centered. Whatever. And that's it. Oh, and it does come with wherever it went. I don't know where the hell that went. It should have been in there. Oh, well. We will grab him for the folks back home. Skateboard. Long video, but there's a lot. You can stick Marty McFly in there. And take front and back wheels off. Does roll. Little sticker areas to stick good old Mr. McFly in there. Kind of funny. And that's it. Looks good anywhere you put it. Anywhere you put the camera. That's it. One wheel's down. Two wheels are down. Oh, and it does this too. On normal surfaces, its wheels are having troubles. Those like to roll. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Quicker, 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 other review. Mew, Pokemon, everyone knows him. If they're Pokemon fans, they should. It's Mew, all he does is can move him around, that's it. Fun, fun, fun. I wanted Mew. Nice paw. Nice paw. It does actually come as a polka doll. In the actual Pokemon Center. Get the big chunky Pikachu. Big chibi Pikachu showing off that they're chibi. It's chunky. We have to be cleaned a little. Little dirt. Little dirt. Not a matter. Stick him back where he was at. And that is Mew. Nice long tail. Review of Mew. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my page. I have other videos. There's one blue original DS. I'd like people to like and subscribe. Put a thumbs up if you liked it. Put a thumbs down if you didn't. And like it on Google with the little Google square. Thank you. Bye.